guys, it's snowing. Quite honestly, I'm gonna put it back in. He doesn't know it, but he's coming in the shower. Gotta lure him in. Come on. Oh, wow. Walked right in.
Good boy. You are so loved. Yes, you are. Nothing to worry about, my friend. You're doing so well. Right.
This is what we're using. It's really good. I leave it on for like 6 hours. I just feel so much better. Also, this whole outfit is from the flea market, but I'll link stuff in my description box that's similar. My bed sheets are from Durf. Matilda Durf brand. Fucking hell, sorry Matilda. I know my tan's gonna look a little bit more intense in this light. Also, my face might look like darker in some areas than others, but I did that intentionally, like here, because I wanted to like try and create a contour. I'm just trying. You guys, this is like not okay how much I've ruined my pan, but I'm making one piece of bacon and an egg. Good morning. Good morning. Hi. Like, my couch is not your jungle gym. It's not. Let's open some packages. I have a lot I need to go through. So we're gonna start with that. There's quite a bit, I'm not gonna lie. Okay. I have so much to open. I'm gonna open all these and then we'll come back. I opened everything in that box. This is myself. It's here. This box is so pretty. Air, black opium perfume, matte cream lips, fun lipsticks from Daily Drills. They sent me their new Loving Tan product, 2-hour express tan in the shade Ultra Dark. I'm gonna open more and then I'll come back. You want me to play with you, but you don't drop it. What? Ow! You rat? I got a package from Lancome. Can you shush? Some beautiful skincare. Stop it. I bought something from The Real Real. Shh. Do you see what I deal with on a daily basis? This is my dog's attitude. He's like, maybe I'll come around the other side. You're not ready for this, honestly. Are you kidding me? These are vintage Manolos. I think they're honestly exceptional. And I honestly need to send a photo to my best friend Lily because this is so her. Too bad we don't have the same shoe size, or I honestly would have bought them for her. Bought this book, The Storm Sister. I just read Seven Sisters, which is the first book. So I wanted to read the second one. And then I bought from Amazon an Apple TV remote holder because I always lose my remote in my bed. So I have one for my living room. It does wonders. Got one for my bed. I got some Revlon foundations. So thank you, Revlon. I bought this for myself. I actually bought 2 of them because I always lose them. But it's a gua sha. So here we go. The brand is called Rena Chris on Amazon. I'll link it below. I got a package from Stoss, and I'm really excited because I've been seeing this everywhere. It's her cozy collection, so it has a pillowcase, a sleep mask, and like this heavenly soft blanket. It's called Stossy. Thanks, Stoss, I love you. And Natalie just started her own clothing line, and this first drop is so cute. And when I was with her, I was telling her how much I love this blue color she's gone with for some of her collection, so I hope that's what she sent me. I'll be happy with anything, but I love the blue. It's so cute. It's like these big blue sweatpants with blue bodysuit that matches. Thanks, Nat, I love you so much. Quite boring, but I got a vacuum. Okay, you guys actually do not know how excited I am about this package I just opened. It's from Ballerina Farm on TikTok. If you've seen this woman, she like has this amazing farm with her beautiful children and cooks all these like insane fresh home cooked meals. So I decided when I was in bed one night to go on her website, and then I noticed you could buy stuff. So I bought like all these amazing fresh croissants that she makes, this bacon. I got some utensils. This is just like such a Olivia order. I got some ground pork. Apparently I got breakfast sausage. Bacon, more bacon. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Biscuits. So basically I'm gonna make the best breakfast ever soon. I have an event with Charlotte Tilbury and I'm deathly hungover. So this should be interesting, but we had a fun night. Oh god, my water. So this is really, yeah, it's fresh. Have some OJ. So this Franny gets to stay like this. Gets to stay cozy and cute.
This is my fit today.
And I have to dress like this. And we had the same night. Cheers. 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 The perfect mimosa requires, it is good, right?
It's exactly what I needed.
Just a touch of OJ. You guys also?
No, Livy, no. Livy, no. How much was in there?
The biscuits that I showed you. I was so excited we got them from a farm.
Orange juice is curing.
So is this mimosa.
The outside. Oh,
yeah, it's dumping rain.
Should we show them a little sneak peek of our night?
Are these biscuits so good?
Absolutely.
Should I put them in a bag?
Yeah.
In the fridge?
Yeah. Not that. Not that.
Who is that?
This is the only one we are able to
This guy.
show.
Are you gonna make me breakfast? I'm not gonna make you breakfast. What do you want?
Now I'm gonna order a burrito.
Burritos.
You want one?
I think so. Should I get a breakfast? Maybe, cause he's a husky.
This is stunning.
Oh Milo, I will feed you. All right, I really gotta get this bag open.
Libby, you can't go. It's raining.
I know. Tell me about it. Honestly, I'm just such a big fan of Charlotte Tilbury that I'm going. But any other?
That was something.
Fran and I were shoving our faces and we were literally just like, but they're so fresh from the farm. Fran is like highly gluten intolerant. And I'm like, you'll be fine. They're fresh.
The main ingredients, it doesn't even say gluten, it says high gluten, strong gluten.
Strong. Yeah.